Welcome back to the Graham Stephan Show. So I gotta respond back to my Pham because for those unfamiliar, we had her on the podcast recently. I've reacted to a few of her videos, and today she comes out with this bombshell here. What is spending a week as a 20-year-old full-time YouTuber? Asterisk, expensive. So we already know this one is gonna be a nail biter, guys. I have a feeling it's a lot of money, so I gotta go ahead and comment on this, give my official response as soon as you hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't done that already. We're so close to 1 million subscribers, so if you want to be a part of the family, just, that was bad. Just make sure to subscribe, and with that said, let's begin.
This literally just got into the 5-figure territory. This week, I spent... So I missed my flight. So this morning I was supposed to be flying to LA, but clearly that did not happen. But I changed my flight to fly out later tonight.
Oh wow, let's look at this. Look at the editing, by the way. The editing's fantastic. Day one, Uber to airport, $73. Flight, $955. And oh, and then a taxi home, $104. Listen, I guarantee, you could just post on Instagram and ask any one of your subscribers, hey, can you pick me up from the airport? I'll pay you $100. Not only do you get to meet a subscriber, you get to maybe make a new friend, and you get to save $4. You can do that to and from the airport, by the way. Listen, it's always so much better to pay a subscriber because you know they really appreciate the conversation, you get to meet someone new, and yeah, it's going to be cheaper than this, so that's my tidbit of the day.
I got to the airport today thinking that I had a sufficient amount of time to make my flight, and I get there and the line literally wraps around the airport. So anyways, I missed it, long story short. I also just want to thank Fidelity for sponsoring a portion of today's video.
What? What? She got Fidelity to sponsor this video? No way. Not gonna lie here. There have been a few platforms that I have been vying to work with for years. Ally Bank has been one of them. They've just always ghosted me. Charles Schwab, like, you know, the big ones. Congratulations on the Fidelity sponsorship. That is goals.
I am so beyond grateful to be 19 and living alone in New York because I know that's not an opportunity that a lot of people get to do. Because growing up, I would have never thought that this is like the life that I'm living because my family had a lot of financial hardships growing up. But with that also means that I never really learned how to manage money growing up because my parents weren't the best at it.
But they tried their best, okay?
I love them with my whole heart. But honestly, something that was super important to me that I drilled in my head when I was younger was learning how to manage my money. I don't think it matters how young or old you are when you start, just as long as you learn one day. Fidelity can help you feel more confident with handling your money and teach you that your money has potential to grow no matter where you start your journey.
Listen, this is fantastic. Very few people get me to watch through the entire sponsored portion. This is just entertaining because she intertwines a story with Fidelity's talking points. It's done so well in a way that's so true to what she has to say. It's just, it keeps me wanting to hear more. Now, I want to learn about Fidelity.
This is my friend Tavion, by the way. We're gonna go shopping.
You know, this is the first time I had matcha.
Oh, that's a great concept to do in a what I spend in a week video. Let's go shopping. Let's spend money for the video.
Just been walking around shopping, and he just got some pizza. I didn't get any though, but I also just didn't buy anything. So $0 today. So far, so far.
Oh, look at that. Midday shopping, $0. Just go window shopping. You know, I did a video a while back that said that most of the dopamine hit when you go shopping is from the anticipation of buying something and not the actual purchase itself. So if you want to get all the enjoyment, out of the way of shopping for free, just go and window shop. You could literally just put something in your shopping cart and then just put it back and don't buy it. You'll get the same feelings of excitement. So there you go. The more you know.
This is what I've been waiting for all week. This is my Aura ring. I've been wanting this for like a year now. You guys don't know what it is. It's basically a ring that tracks your sleep.
Yeah, you know what? I got the Aura ring. They sponsored the iced coffee hour, and no joke, I've been wearing it every single night for the last like few weeks. It's one of the things, not sponsored, okay? This is just purely my excitement for the product, but been tracking my sleep schedule because some mornings I've woken up and just felt like really tired, and other mornings I feel like rested, and some mornings I just like sleep in too much or too little. So I've been trying to pinpoint exactly like what gets me to be the most functional throughout the day. Seems to be based on the information here is like 8 hours of sleep, which seems like a lot. But anyway, I really like it so far. Been wearing it every night.
Sterling, LA.
Uber to to hotel, $77. Why are Ubers so expensive? You know, you could get, I think it's the Amex Platinum has a credit. It's $15 a month. It's not much, but if you take Ubers like this much, it helps. The Chase Sapphire Reserve also has a $300 travel credit, which would come in handy for stuff like this. So you could dramatically reduce these costs if you just get the right cards.
I booked the cheapest hotel I could find in LA in like the Melrose Hollywood area, and it ended up being $200 and something per night, but YouTube is actually covering my hotel and my fares and stuff like that, but I still wanted to book the cheapest option possible.
Oh, she has the really fancy headphones. Alex got these and I put them on like, wow. I thought Beats by Dre was like the top of the line headphones. Put these things on and like, what the hell is it? It's amazing. Guys, if you want to spend like, I don't know how much they are, like $700 on headphones, those are the ones to get.
Back at the hotel, the glam and photo shoot team arrived, which is so crazy to say because I just got my like makeup professionally done for the first time this year, but I wanted to treat them all to breakfast because I wanted to make sure everybody was well fed.
Oh, that's nice. Good old team breakfast. Good old tax write-off. $137 for breakfast. Wow. It's kind of creepy. It's just does she not have pupils in this? It's just like just whites in the. That's me looking at the sun. It's just like, it's so bright. No, I don't know what is it? Look at the hair. It's an odd photo shoot. Not quite my cup. Oh my gosh! I just noticed two other people are just staring at the wall. It's creepy.
It's just me getting gas and filling up Juliana's car because she is such a great assistant and she is driving me 15 minutes all the way to go pick up my car, so I have to fill up her gas because I love her.
Long story short, we got to my car and I thought my car key was dead. Turns out my whole car battery was dead, so we were carless for the week.
Oh wow. Car battery. Again, AAA. They'll come to you. AAA's been amazing, by the way. I've had so many times where the car battery just dies because I haven't driven in forever. So they'll come, jumpstart it. It's fantastic. Now I got one of those battery tenders, so you never have to worry about it. I don't drive anywhere. That's the thing. I work from home now, so I don't leave the house. Ever. So anyway, fun tidbit of the day there too.
Got myself some free coffee from the hotel lobby and ordered the whole glam and photo shoot team at breakfast and lunch for the shoot, but it was such a fun one, so definitely go check the pictures out.
Wow, $900 for a location? Come to me. I'll give you a location way cheaper than $930. Gosh. Yeah, I mean, you could do something like that in my kitchen. You just gotta promise you're not gonna break anything. That's all I care about. Just don't make it dirty and don't break anything. Leave it better than you found it, and there you go.
All right, I'm leaving my dentist right now. Something's been up with my teeth and I have bleeding gums. So it turns out I have a root canal and I need to get 2 of my teeth replaced.
What? A root canal? Why? That sounds horrible.
So this day I had the YouTube shoot, which is the whole entire reason why I was in Los Angeles in the first place. But basically I was doing this like live shopping event with YouTube and they ended up being able to cover my flights, my hotel, and basically my whole entire spending in LA, which was amazing.
Well, that's really cool. Good on you for that. That's fantastic. This looks like the Darman set. I know it's not, but like he has entire cities that are within a warehouse. It's incredible. It looks just like this though, but you'd be thinking you're outside, but you're in a warehouse in a Darman studio. It's insane.
All right, $70 hotel room. Y'all remember the New York one I stayed in for $70? All right, I have a podcast to do.
Oh yeah, this is crazy. So I was so appreciative. I felt so bad. She came to Vegas just to come on the podcast. I thought that she had other things going on, and no, she came in town just for this. So like when people travel to Las Vegas just to come on the podcast, I'm always blown away. I'm like, are you sure? I want to make sure it's like it's worth it to them, like they have a good time. If they don't, I feel so bad if they have any bad experience. But she was so nice to be able to do this.
So I had to shower, and then I realized that the Las Vegas airport has showers, but it's only for Amex members, and I'm not an Amex member. So we had to go lowest to highest hotel, and we found a $70 option.
See, again, that's one of the reasons to get the American Express Platinum. With the amount you're traveling, you'll be able to get your money's worth. I think it's $650 a year, which is a lot, but given how much you're spending, you'll be able to recoup all of that. Plus the sign-up bonus. The sign-up bonus pays for itself the first 2 years, so it's really year 3 that you just start to then pay for the card if you're not utilizing it.
Look where I am. Say hi.
Hey guys.
It's a wide angle lens. Yeah.
God,
That's why I was like, okay. Okay, got it.
Oh, it's so awkward doing thumbnails. I'm always like, just seeing it on camera, just, ugh. There's one video, I by mistake, so this is like years ago, what I would do after I'd film a video is just like look at the camera like this and be like, for like a minute, okay? And then what I do is I'd upload it and like take a screenshot of it and then Photoshop around that. But I accidentally left it in the end of a video. For those that went to the end of the video, they see like a minute of me just doing this. Like I stopped the video, I'm like, thanks guys for watching. It was funny.
I wasn't feeling the best this day, so I took myself out to Chinatown, my favorite neighborhood, to go get some cheap eats. I got some noodles for $13, which to me, that's really good, especially in New York.
That's a great deal. $13 lunch, $13 noodles. You could take that home, have another meal from that. That's fantastic.
Please don't know, I love desserts, so the fact that there's a place dedicated to desserts is crazy. And if you look at the reservations,
$900 birthday gift. Geez, for $900, you should get the Chase Sapphire Reserve and the American Express Platinum. Do that.
I don't think that I've ever spent this much money in a week. Like, first of all, I have only ever done one photo shoot in my entire life, so the fact that I did 4 this week is very unlikely. But that's literally not an excuse for being stupid with my money. But I was also just like swiping my credit card because I was like, oh, YouTube's got this, YouTube's got this, like YouTube's got this. I don't know if I spent over the $5,000 budget that they—
$5,000 budget? YouTube is, man, where's my $5,000 budget, YouTube? I want to get photo shoots in LA. Send me down there. I don't know what I would spend $5,000 on. I mean, I guess just a nice hotel and food, really. It's a lot. I guess Ubers if you don't have a car there, but still, it seems like a lot of money.
On my flight and accommodation, that was $1,963, which is actually crazy because when I first started coming out to LA, I literally would stay in hostels or like Airbnbs where like you would stay in a room in a house with a bunch of other people. So the fact that I got like my own hotel room and splurge was super nice. So thank you to YouTube once again for covering that. And on photo shoots, this one hurts me the most. I spent $7,194.75 on photo shoot.
That's a lot. See, I just get a buddy together. Just, hey man, take some pictures of me. This corner works pretty well. She's doing some professional stuff though.
Yes, it was a lot, but at the end of the day, I'm paying people for their art, so definitely a dent in the bank account. But that was the breakdown. Now overall, how much did I spend this week? I'm doing the calculations right now and I don't want to know. I feel like Olivia Jade right now calculating these numbers because like this is not me. And I feel like every YouTuber says that. Like, I usually don't spend this much, but dead ass, like, I do not have a photo shoot every day. No way.
Yeah, I mean, she picked a week though where she's doing multiple photo shoots and traveling for YouTube with a lot of those expenses reimbursed. So I bet if you took this on a normal week, it would be a fraction. Probably it would be a fifth of what this is.
This literally just got into the 5-figure territory. This week, I spent $13,095.59. Thankfully though, okay, we got the little discount. We got the $5,000 discount from YouTube. But if I want to make myself feel better, basically I spent $7,000 on photo shoots this week, right? And then so that comes out to a total of $900 left.
Yeah, so it's really more like $900 in a week, which honestly is not that bad considering how much travel she's doing. Now, a lot of that is a one-time expense and reimbursement. So this is pretty good.
Anyways, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to give me hate in the comments for spending a lot of money. Just kidding, please don't, because I know Glam Stefan is already screaming at me.
Yep, I am. But you know what? It's really not that bad. If YouTube wasn't reimbursing you for a lot of those, they'd be like, no, you could just spend less money. It's really not that bad. So overall, you know what? Fantastic job. I really enjoyed the video. And let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. I think she did pretty good. But with that said, thank you so much for watching. As always, feel free to add me on Instagram. Thank you so much, and until next time.